Hey everybody, it's Mark Stover at the NFBA show in Nashville, Tennessee. And I'm with Jeff Bauer from Just Pole Barns, and we're going to spend a couple minutes asking Jeff some questions, and we'll see where it takes us from there. What type of projects do you build with Perma-Columns?
Well, we are pole barn specialists. That's really what we design and build. So really anything, really any building from small to large, we find that Perma-Columns work fine. So anybody who wants a quality structure, that's where we're going to use, a Perma-Column.
What's your favorite thing about Perma-Column?
I think the favorite component is the longevity of the Perma-Column. I think the durability and there's a confidence. Honestly, there's a confidence when you work with a product. And when I talk with clients, I give them a good, better, and best. And the Perma-Column is actually, in my mind, the best.